In this video, I will show you how to send e-invoice to a Singapore government agency department. First of all, set up your email and vendor ID in your business profile. Make sure you have registered with vendors at Gov to obtain your own unique vendor ID. If you have the vendor ID, proceed to update it on the business profile screen. To update, you can go to Control Panel, Company, and click on Business Profile. Next, fill in your company email and vendor ID. When done, scroll down and click Save. Next, set up the PEPL ID and business unit code for the relevant government agency in the Contact Business screen. To do that, go to Contact, Contact List, and select the relevant government agency or click Add New to create a new customer. Make sure you fill in the correct UEN number. The PEPL ID will automatically appear based on the UEN number you entered. The PEPL ID for Singapore Government Agency is this. Next, proceed to select a business unit under the Contact Persons section. Click Save when done. You are now ready to send an e-invoice to the Singapore Government Agency Department. That's it. It's that simple. Thanks for watching our video.